Hello guys, this is Kanchan Agarwal from Mumbai, and here is my entry for Videocon contest to meet and greet SRK on a sets of Happy New Year. First of all, I would like to say I'm a die-hard Shah Rukh Khan fan and an equally die-hard Videocon fan. Recently, I got a LCD TV, Videocon 32-inch LCD TV. You can see it here. My pic with Shah Rukh Khan during the release of Chennai Express. And I was just analyzing in my mind what should I say about Videocon's craziness, how should I describe it. So I found out that first of all, the brand ambassador for Videocon Home Appliances Electronics, Mr. Shah Rukh Khan, bears so much resemblance with Videocon. Now Videocon, when we hear the name Videocon, the brand Videocon, the thought immediately comes in our mind the excellence in electronics. It's like awesome. The products, the features, the quality you cannot compare with any other brand. Similarly, SRK is a brand name, a brand power today, and he is incomparable. He is the Badshah of Bollywood. He is the undisputable king. In the similar fashion, Videocon, you cannot argue on it. The best service, the best customer satisfaction, everything on its peak. And so I would like to say that Videocon is just reliable, trustworthy. Just like Shah Rukh Khan, you can rely on him. He's a total entertainment package. You don't need any else actor to love. You watch Shah Rukh once, you see his one movie and you will fall in love with him. That's in a similar fashion. You buy one Videocon product and you are Videocon forever. You will never ever go for any other brand. That's what I have discovered in my journey with Videocon. I have a lot of appliances of Videocon at home, but the latest one and the most special one is the Videocon TV. And since I've got it, I'm just using it. I've forgotten to use my laptop as well. And yes, Videocon is the best. Hello guys, I'm here again. So you can see how beautiful I'm looking on the small screen with Shah Rukh Khan. I never knew we have a USB portal to put the pen drive, and I discovered it through Videocon. Thanks Videocon for this lovely feature. The design, the sleek design, the appearance, the look, it's incomparable, it's indisputable. Now, talking about the contest part, I have written a few poems in Shah Rukh Khan style to praise Videocon. I'll recite it for you. I'll look and recite, please. किसका है ये तुमको इंतजार, Videocon है ना? देखो जरा इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स का बादशाह, Videocon है ना? खामोश क्यों हो, जो दिल चाहे वो कहो. प्रोडक्ट्स की वैरायटीज और फीचर्स जान लो. हाँ, किंग खान करते हैं दावा, Videocon से बेहतर कोई नहीं ना. एंड वन मोर. देखना जब हो तुम्हें दर्द डिस्को, अपने Videocon टीवी को ऑन कर लो. वो टीवी, वो पिक्चर, वो क्लैरिटी कर गई कैसी जादूगरी. नींद इन आँखों से छीन ली है, देखने की तमन्ना और भी बड़ी. मेरे पास Videocon LCD, समझाओ मैं ये है किस दिल में मेरे है Videocon का डिस्को, Videocon का डिस्को, Videocon का डिस्को. थैंक यू.